Previously on Talent Search Cymru, the auditions got off to a great start.
But that was so unexpected. Wow.
Reality check, this is what you should have always been doing.
And only 14 made it through. Tonight, it's boot camp.
That was amazing. And this was just perfect. It was so angelic.
Tonight, I've just witnessed a star.
The auditions are over. Welcome to boot camp. So, this week, for the first time, the contestants will be performing with backing tracks for the judges. And we are back with our live audience! So, without further ado, it's time to begin boot camp! So, joining us tonight is one of our previous representatives. It's Grace! Last season's representative, Riley, are you?
Hiya.
So how are you?
Good.
So you've come to watch boot camp. Are you looking forward to watching all the talent?
Yeah, I'm really excited and I'm just glad I'm not singing myself.
You watched the auditions last week, didn't you? So what do you think of the talent so far?
I think there's really big potential and I think everyone's going to go really far in music.
Well, shall we watch all the auditions?
Yes.
So congratulations, Gavin, on getting through to boot camp. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, feeling excited. Obviously got backing tracks back, which is always a bit of a relief. And I like live audience as well, so it should be good.
So what have you got planned for boot camp today?
Bit of a strange one, it's a bit of an album track, but then do Fickle Not Selfish by Jason.
All the best of luck and go and smash it.
Thank you very much.
Right then, Derwin, boot camp round. What are you going to sing for us tonight, Brad?
I've got the Fickle Not Selfish by Jason.
Okay, this is a quirky song. You ready for it? Lots of energy now, give it everything you've got.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
She wakes up in the morning, ignoring the pain in her heart. But it's only illusion of distance to keep us apart. She puts up with my nonsense no matter how she feels inside. And I know that a beauty like her ain't so easy to find. But I'm so fickle, I'll be damned if I'm not in love. I'm so selfish. Did I waste my time on other stuff? I'm so sleepy. I've been awake for a couple of days. I'm so lonely. Now won't you come and chase these blues away? And if you wanna, you can even stay. Hey, hey, hey. I can tell by the tracks on your face that you have been crying. That the way you are reacting, you swear that somebody was dying. And then you pulled on my hair, bit on my lip till it bled. Screw the notion of living without you, would rather be dead. But I'm so fickle, I'll be damned if I'm not in love. I'm so selfish. Did I waste my time on other stuff? And I'm so sleepy. I've been awake for a couple of days. I'm so lonely. Now won't you come and chase these blues away? And if you wanna, you can even stay.
Thank you.
No, wait to start the show, buddy. A nice lot of energy with us. Sibel, what did you think again starting the show tonight?
Really enjoyed it, and I think the song suits your voice really well. Right amount of energy, right amount of emotions, and I can tell that you have some experience behind there. I like that you looked at the camera as well. That's really nice. Well done.
Lily, what did you think?
Yeah, wow, what a way to open the show. I gotta be honest, I didn't expect you to do a song like that. And I think it's great that it shows that you're versatile and you've got the ability to do different sort of styles. And I would be really excited to see how you work, with the themes that we set and challenge yourself in that. But that was a brilliant performance. Everyone was clapping. You got the energy up from the get-go. So well done. That was perfect. I really enjoyed it.
Gavin, like I just said, the way you started that was perfect tonight. I gotta be honest, adding a backing track back to you, I sensed the nerves were less noticeable completely. It definitely had to relax a bit more. I'm with you doing this once now for us and coming back. Again, I was actually cautious. I didn't tell you this beforehand. I was very cautious about this choice. I was thinking, he's going with something a little bit more energetic so soon. And I was wrong, but it paid off. It really, really worked. It showed us a different side to your audition. And I'm just very excited because I got to be honest, the competition's eating up and we are starting to see everyone starting to blend from the auditions and stuff. But I'd be shocked if you didn't go through this week to the themes anyway. That's realistic, being realistic. So in my eyes, if you are there, I cannot wait to see what you will do with the themes. If I was going to give you some advice, because I want to give you something, is I want you to explore with styles of music that are not typical to you. Because this is something you smashed this tonight, and it is something that I think a lot of people would expect because you got sound, you got technique. Putting it with the Jerry Cinnamon song is perfect, But I want it to be clever. I want you to think of songs that people wouldn't expect you to do. And that's what I want to keep that in mind because it will shock people a lot more. They'll be like, how did that manage to work? How did he do that? And that's what we want. So be clever with your song choices, but this was wonderful. A really, really good performance. Well done.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Radio up next is Sophie. Soph, come on down. So Sophie, congratulations on making it through to boot camp. You've got a completely different look. So how are you feeling today?
Excited, I'm like a bottle of pop.
Yeah, your hair is gorgeous. What gave you the inspiration to change your hair?
It's different, it just won't be me.
So what are you going to be bringing for us tonight?
Well, I'm going to be singing a song, a Gloria Gaynor, I Will Survive.
Oh, good luck, girl. Go and smash it.
Thank you.
Right, Sophie. Wow, what a transformation in 1 week. Like literally. What has made you come for this? Like the top is amazing.
I just wanted to stand out.
That's it. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Just doing your best.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, you look incredible. The
You
air is
won't do.
stunning. And that's what we want to see, right? So, what are you going to sing for us all tonight?
Gloria Gaynor, I Will Survive.
Okay, this is an interesting choice. You ready for it?
I am.
All right, when the music starts, you begin your performance, all right?
At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. I saw you back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I know just think I'd crumble? Do you think I'd lay down and die?
Wow, Sophie. What can I say? Like, it's literally within audition to this, the transformation already, the improvement is remarkable. I can see you really fighting for it. Sibel, over to you. What did you think of Sophie's performance tonight?
That's a big song, that is, and I think you've done it justice. In the beginning, you were a little bit nervous. I felt like you were holding back, but then at one point, when everybody clapped just before that, I think it got better. You have a powerful voice. I think there is so much more for us to see, and I can't wait to see what you're gonna do next. Well done. Thank you.
Lily, what did you think of Sophie tonight?
Sophie, yeah, what a transformation. I mean, the song you done last week was pretty, and I know I gave you a little bit of critique. This is what I was looking for. I knew there was so much more in you, and the difference that just a song choice makes is incredible. And I love your look. You were fighting, like Joey said, the arm movements. You felt the song, and you were like, I am not going anywhere, and you were listening to me. And I love that about you. So keep that dedication and that fight up. Whether you go forward in this competition or not, that's the exact attitude you need to make in this industry. But in terms of the song, in terms of the way you sung it this week, massive improvement, and I honestly think at this point you could be the underdog of this competition.
Thank you.
Sophie, I feel very proud, and the reason why I feel really proud is because you actually come to the studio this week, and I don't know what have happened. I don't know if that session, do you feel like that session has helped you with your confidence of it?
Definitely.
Because tonight I've seen a complete different person from the audition. But the fact that you've gone out and thought, you know what, I'm going to create my style, I'm going to change my hair colour, I'm going to glam up. And then on top of that, something that I always say to any artist coming into the business or in the business is so important to show your identity. I mentioned it so many times last week in the auditions, and this was the beginning of it. This was the beginning of your identity, because you took a classic cheesy song that's really up-tempo and energetic, and you made it dramatic and emotional, and that transformed it completely. And you did that. So this is something that not just yourself, I say to anybody in the process, is so important to create your flow. Make the song yours completely. Don't just take the song and copy the original. Put your own spin. Don't be frightened of taking risks. And that's what you did tonight. I'm very impressed. We still got a long way to go. Realistically, we still got a long way. But so from your audition to this is a huge step up. And I want you to know that. Give yourself credit tonight. You've done so well. Well done.
Thank you.
So up next, we've got Billy. Billy, how are you feeling about boot camp performance today?
Excited.
So Dad, she go through the first audition. How are you feeling about Billy doing a boot camp performance today?
Yeah, we're all excited for her as well, because this is what she wants to do. So hopefully she's more relaxed this week and she can smash it.
You feeling more relaxed to perform this week?
Yeah.
Good luck and go and smash it.
Right then, Billy. So it's boot camp. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Yeah, that's what we want to hear. So you had a wonderful audition. You definitely showed us lots of potential. Do you feel a bit more relaxed tonight?
Yeah.
Good, that's what we want. All right, so what are you going to sing?
Shallow by Lady Gaga.
Okay, this gets big at the end. You ready for it?
Yeah. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Is there something you're searching for, I'm falling. In all the good times, I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times, I feel myself. I'm up the deep end, watching to dive in. I never meet the ground. Crawling to the surface where they can't hide us. We fall from the shallow now. In the shallow. In the shallow. In the shallow, we fall from the shallow now. Oh, 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 I'm at the deep end, watching sun dive in. I never made the ground. Crawling to the surface where they can't hurt us. We fall from the shallow now.
Absolutely wow. Again, just vocally, the confidence is really, really starting to come out of you. So I'll pass you over to Sibel. Sibel, what do you think of Billy tonight?
Wow, girl. That was amazing. You have such a beautiful voice, yet powerful one. You were a bit nervous in the beginning, but then it went better. There's a lot of potential there. Well done.
Lily, what did you think of Billy tonight?
Billy, honestly, what that audition done was show really how much potential you've got. I mean, you've taken a song and it is overdone. You know, a lot of people sing this song in competitions, in pubs, in clubs. It is overdone. And when you said, I'm going to sing Shallow, I thought, oh, here we go again, I'll be honest. But your voice is so stunning that it was just different. You know, in the original, a lot of the notes are straight and you changed them a bit and put some movement in. All of those things just made the song individual to you. And I absolutely loved it. I think what you've brought this week, again, like I said to Sophie, the transformation is actually incredible. I mean, you showed you've got potential last week, but this, I gotta be honest, I can't compare. It's like listening to a completely different person. So well done. That was absolutely fantastic.
Lily, I just want to say, like, from last week, Lily just picked up the transformation already. Is remarkable. I'm noticing like a movement in your voice, which I didn't notice on the auditions. But tonight I got to see it, and you had a slight movement there. There was a lot more like runs and riffs and things like that. Do you know what they are? Like when you move your voice with ad-libs and stuff. Lovely. What I wanted to know is anything you do in future for this, I want you to take advantage of that part of your voice. So if you pick a song or whatever it might be, don't be frightened to use that part of your voice more, all right? Because that is a strength of yours, which I noticed come through tonight. And I didn't notice it in the audition. And I want you to take advantage of that because it's going to help you soar. It's really going to help you stand out. A little bit of confidence, like the stiffness, and just like the stiffness. But honestly, I know it's a nightmare with the cameras around you and everything. You'll get relaxed, right? It's your job as a wonderful talent to relax with it. Remember, you were there. You're the star of the show. Treat it like that, all right? So it's for you to put that little bit of work in that, but vocally, wonderful. This song is a song that we, like Lily said, have heard a billion times. That was probably one of the cleanest vocals I've ever witnessed on that song. I want you to be really proud of yourself. This was a huge step up for you tonight too. Smashed your performance. Well done.
Thank you.
Up next, it's Sam! Sam, how are you feeling to be, you made it to boot camp, how are you feeling?
I know, it's brilliant. Yeah, I'm feeling great.
So, are you bringing some Queen tonight, or are you going to change the tempo completely?
Exactly that. I'm changing the tempo completely. I'm going to go for a little softer song to show off that I've got some different types of range.
All the best for your performance. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Every time our eyes meet, these feelings inside me is almost more than I can say. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can see your thoughts, I can hear your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, every little thing that every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
That was a really good performance then. Sabelle, what did you think?
That was a really good performance. You were so nervous. I don't know why though. You don't have to be nervous. You got the looks, you got the voice. Just believe in yourself more. You really went for it in the chorus. I loved it there, and we all really enjoyed it. Just don't hold back. Just go for it. Yeah, well done.
Thank you.
Lily, what did you think?
Sam, wow, again, what an improvement. Like Joey said, I don't know what's going on this week. These aren't like minor improvements. Everyone is like smashing it tonight. Yes, Sam, I gotta be honest, I much preferred this song choice to last week. What I did like last week is that it's gutsy, and you've done it again. You've been gutsy. You're not picking really easy songs to sing. Every single one you've done so far has been quite difficult. But I think this one sat better on your voice. The beginning, the first verse was so delicate and beautiful, and I got to see a part of your voice that was that pretty sound. I love that you've got power, but I think sometimes, you should take advantage of your tone and just let that come across a bit. But absolutely fantastic performance. In terms of going forward, and the only thing that I would give you a bit of advice on is just make sure when you're making your song choices, this was much better than last week, just make sure that you're not picking songs whereby you're going to shout at any point, because that's when the song starts to become a bit, oh no, stay away. So yeah, this was much better, but moving forward again, there was still little shouty bits, and I'd love to just see those kind of disseminate as we go along. But wonderful, wonderful audition. Well done.
Thank you.
Sam, you've got to give credit when it's due. And today you've come into boot camp and you've obviously listened to the advice last week, because things were a lot less of any issue with it being too loud or anything like that. So it was much more controlled tonight, which is why I think we all stuck with you, because this was an improvement, obviously. I get what Lily's saying, and something I want to add to that is in terms of, again, and I always say to people, this is so, so important. And I know I repeat myself a lot with it, but identity is so important. And the last thing I would want is for you to come in, sing a song as it is, because that's what we're doing so far. Sounding lovely, but it is just singing the song. Don't be frightened to try little things what you can do. There is still things that you want to improve on in terms of just, I want you, from you, if you are successful tonight, don't be frightened to put your own little spin into things. And if you're unsure of what I mean when I make that comment, you only got to ask, all right? But vocally, this was a step up. The nerves are still there a bit where you go in yourself. I really need you to work on that, because as this competition narrows down, things like that will be pointed out. So I want you to be aware of that, right, I got to work on this. Just relax, learn how to open your eyes more and things like that. You can shut your eyes now and again, but just try to start to relax up there from you. That is the only thing there, and don't be frightened to play with the songs a little bit more. This was a step up for you, so please be proud, because you've stepped up for us. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, buddy.
Up next, congratulations, Erin, on making it through to boot camp. How are you feeling about performing in boot camp today?
I'm excited but very nervous.
So, don't let them nerves get to you now. Just go out there and enjoy yourself. What are you going to be singing for the judges today?
Running by Beyonce.
What a good song. Radio, good luck. All the best of luck.
Erin, boot camp, how are you actually feeling?
I'm excited but nervous.
Yeah? Did you enjoy this week? Because I found that you kind of left the session with a massive smile on your face, like, yeah, I can do this. So you feeling more relaxed tonight?
Yeah.
That's good. So do you want to tell us all what you're going to sing tonight?
Running by Beyonce.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Give it everything now, all right?
These four lonely walls have changed the way I feel, the way I feel. I'm standing still, and nothing else matters now. You're not here, so where are you? I've been calling you. I'm missing you. Where else can I go? Where else can I go? Chasing you. Chasing you. Memories turn to dust. Please don't bury us. I got you. I got you. Running, running, running for myself. Together we'll win it all. I ain't running, running, running for myself. Together we'll win it all. If I lose myself, I lose it all. If I lose myself, I lose it all.
Wow, Erin, what an improvement again. Sibel, what did you think of Erin's boot camp performance tonight?
I absolutely loved it. Not many people sing the song. I've never really heard anybody singing the song. So it's an advantage that you're doing a song that not many people do. And you've changed it a lot. I love that as well. You made it your own, which is really important. As Joey mentioned before, it's really important to show who you are. You were very relaxed. And your head voice was really lovely. Well done.
Thank you.
Erin, wow, what a step up. I mean, I could tell last week you had this beautiful vibrato, and it's just trying to pick songs and styles that help you to take the best advantage of that. And this was just perfect. It was so angelic. And I loved, like Sibel said, that you just completely made it your own. And that is so important. I loved that it was like slowed down. I loved that you skipped one of the run-ins. It just meant that you had such better control over your voice. And it enabled us to hear the vibrato just beautifully come through. I gotta be honest, I had goosebumps at some points during that performance. Well done. That was so, so good. You should be proud of yourself.
Thank you.
This is what it's about. And again, like I want to say, like I said to Sophie earlier on, there's still improvements we need to make and things like that. But for us as a panel, it's really important for us to see the improvements. And if we see them, we celebrate them and we honor them. And that's what we're doing tonight, because you showed us again, this girl has started to control the vibrato in a better way, picking the right songs in a better way, and everything just shapes. And that's what's happening. So tonight you've had a wonderful performance, Erin. You've had a wonderful step up from your audition, and I hope this gives you a boost, if you are successful, to do even better again. But we're still on that road to getting you to the right place where you want to be. Again, like I picked up on Sam, relax a bit up there. It's really important, because that's something we cannot be imbued on this side, is for you to take advantage of this opportunity and say, do you know what? I want to be the best I can be. I want to do my best. So start to relax. Look around a little bit if you've got little things like that. Baby steps, but as long as we're seeing it, we're happy. But well done. Again, a step up.
Thank
well
you.
done.
Radio, up next, it's Eloise. Massive well done on making it through to boot camp. You've popped it and locked it all the way through. How are you feeling?
Good.
So today now, are you going to be doing a different style of dance, or are you going to be bringing out more popping and locking, or?
Style.
Radio, all the best of luck, and go and smash it.
Where my dogs at? We right here, dog. Where my dogs at? Right here, dog. Where my dogs at? We right here, dog. Now where my dogs at?
I said, get at me. Ain't talking to you niggas with that rap beat.
Get at me. Ultra skin seats like it's acne. Get at me.
Never tacky jeans made by acne. Love governed up Patakis and Patakis.
Take it back like you know I want you to. I'm hearing what I know you don't see, that it's on you. So I guess you think this means that I love you. But some things that you said go with my day like bad news. You may be sorry, but that don't make it alright.
Mo, Jane Doe, Billy, Punchline, Wordsworth, SV, Chrissy, SOS, Tribe Called Quest. Get it off your chest, say it. Tribe Called Quest. Can you feel it when it ain't right? Can you feel it when we do it? Truth, power, taste, devour. Music in the street, here comes the illest.
Black, Detroit is black. Black, Detroit is black.
Well done, girl. Well, lots of energy then. Unbelievable. Sibel, what did you think of her performance tonight?
I loved it. Great amount of energy. Good mix of songs. I like your you got nice facial expressions as well. And I can't believe how much confidence you got. Well done.
Yeah, I think you're a very, very talented young lady. I mean, I could never dance like that, could you? I think what you do is so clever. Like last week, Joey mentioned, it's difficult with the staging and you need all of these extra things to help you and props. I noticed this week you've done a lot bigger moves, the jumping, the floor work, and you made yourself bigger, which is very, very clever and a fantastic way to kind of substitute until we have the big staging and things like that for those props. And I think you've done that very, very well. It was a very clever thing to do. I loved that you gave me more facial expressions this week. And that was, one of the critiques I gave you last week, and you did it. So it does show that you go away and you think about these things and you come back more determined than ever. Again, it was a fantastic performance. It was on time. I mean, the moves were varied. You've done incredibly well and you should be really proud of yourself.
Eloise, you should be really proud. And we've got to remember you are, in our eyes, a baby. You're a baby, and the skill that you've got, and I think the limits that you set yourself is endless. And I can see that. I saw it in the audition and I saw it again tonight. It is so important for you, and our family and who comes to support you to remember that I want you to stand out so much more in this process, right? And the only way we're going to get to that, because as a solo dancer, it is a little bit more challenging than a group of dancers. The energy level's different because we're focused on one person instead of 20 people, and people always sense that as soon as you see the difference in performances. So what is so important for us to do, especially with themed weeks coming up, because you've got to remember we're going to be setting new challenges if you were through to next week with different types of themes, which is not necessarily going to be street dance music. So you've got to be able to cater to that. And we want you to challenge yourself, and don't be frightened and think, it's only street dance I know, because I feel it in my gut. Even though you may not have done other types of dance, I feel like you've got that natural skill to be able to do it. And I feel it. And I don't know if you've done other styles and other techniques, but I can feel that you can do it. A natural dancer be able to put their mind to anything. And I feel that's in you. And that's what makes you more special than a lot of dancers I've seen. And I want you to know that, because I'm sensing something more, all right, than just coming out here and doing what you know. So don't be frightened of the challenges, because I know you could take them on and smash it. I know you can do it. Again, the track, the only thing I would have picked up tonight is the transitions, just with the pauses some now and again. So they could be smoother. Some people, I don't know how you mix your tracks now, and a lot of people don't usually know how to do it, but even that, we can even get more creative with. And all you got to do is let ma'am, coach know, anyone, message me in the week, and I'll get on the computer and I'll produce nice transitions in between them. So you've got a much smoother finish, and you get to keep that track for future preference then. All you do is send me the tracks, send me what you want in them, and I'll get really nice transitions and things like that in between. So I'm more than happy to help you online like that with that. Other than that, there is nothing taken away what you were capable of at the age of 11. Because to me, that was still stronger than the audition. You showed us more technique. You showed us a lot more. So I'm really excited about this. And if you do get through to the themed weeks, don't be frightened. If we test you with something, say, I'm going to smash it. Watch me rock it. Show every dancer that watches this online that you can do anything. All right? Believe you can do it, because I know it's in you. Other than that, smashed it. Well done.
Last off in this first half now is Trinity. Trinity, you've made it through to boot camp. Did you ever think you'd get this far?
No. In fact, I'm really excited that I got through.
So what are you going to be singing for us tonight?
From This Moment.
That is a big song. Are you looking forward to singing it?
Yeah, I'm just really excited.
All the best of luck. Go and smash it.
Trinity, you're looking absolutely like a doll tonight. Like a Barbie doll. So how are you feeling? Boot camp?
Very excited.
Yeah? Bit more relaxed?
Yeah, a bit more than last time.
That's it. Now don't hold back. Remember, this is your moment, so we want you to really, really just get into it. Do what you gotta do and just go for it, right? Alright then, what are you gonna sing?
From this moment.
This is interesting. Very different to your audition, so this is gonna be interesting to see. Alright? Right, your track will start.
From this moment, I'm blessed. I live only for your happiness, and for yours, I give my last breath. From this moment, from this moment you're the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayers from up above. All we need is just the two of us. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, as long as I live. From this moment,
Trinity, I could see the moves, but literally, I'm really excited about what you can do, and it'll come to me now. I'll pass you to Sibel first. Sibel, what did you think?
First of all, you look amazing.
Thank you.
You were so nervous, but I don't know why. Because you look amazing, you sound amazing. There is a lot of potential there, and you were holding so much like back. But once you get past that, I can't wait to see what you're going to do. I believe in you. I do. I do. Well done.
Lily?
Yeah, Trinity, I am a big fan of yours, I've got to be honest, and I think that was clear from the first auditions. I always say I'm just massive on that something special that I look for, and I genuinely think you've got that. I think it just needs polishing, and I don't know if it's nerves, I don't know if you're still just inside yourself a little bit. I mean, it wasn't a bad audition, and I don't want you to not be proud of yourself, because you have done extremely well, and you've shown just the movements, the way you sound, just everything is so... It's so beautiful that I want you to just find songs and arrangements that suit that best. And I didn't feel this did, if I'm honest. I don't know if it's because you were nervous and you just went off the words a little bit in the start, and I don't know what happened. But I just feel like there's so much more you can give that I just want to see it. I need to see it, but I want to see it because I am in love with your voice. But well done, you gave it a good go tonight, and I've got to give you credit for that, because last week you were well inside yourself, and at least you pushed that voice out a little bit more this week. So I'm really proud of you for doing that. Well done.
Trinity is a learning curve, all right? You've never done anything like this, and we've got to keep that into mind, because we all handle nerves in different ways. And for you, this is a big thing. You know, it's like, oh my God, I'm taking on a different song, I've had it cut. There's a lot to be able to sink into your mind, but you'll get used to it. It's really important to get used to it, because as a star, as somebody who wants to go out and do this and make a career of it, these are things you get used to, right? The reason why I stood then wasn't because it was an amazing performance because there was a lot of faults there. I stood because I genuinely need to say this publicly to you. I need you to know that you have the ability to shred this competition. I want you to know that you could rip this into absolute shreds, all the banners, the lot. You could take it down. Your gift is a gift, what you've got. It's not fully there because you're not showing us it fully there yet. But I know because I'm listening and I'm going, if this girl can just grasp her confidence, just grasp her control over her, how incredible her voice is, grasp these things, you are a star. That's what you are. And I can feel it in my waters. I can feel what you're capable of. Please take that comment as a massive boost because I'm genuinely saying this from my experience working with talent over 10 years. I can see what's in front of me and is there. Bring it. Because you can bring it, all right? Really put your mind in when you get your tracks. Focus, and do what you got to do to be the best in this, right? Because you're capable of it. Honest to God, I thought the song did suit you. Just a lot of nerves. Just a lot of nerves there that threw you off. Just work on it. It's boot camp. Baby steps. But you are a gift. And I promise you that. And hopefully, if you bring it, people will get to see it and go, I remember Joey saying that. It will happen. Just please believe you can do this, right? You can really do this, right? Well done.
Thank you.
Joey, what do you think of the talent so far?
I think so far, as we said in the comments, I'm very, very impressed. Very impressed with the improvements we've seen from one week to another. I'm really, really excited about seeing the second half of the contestants. Girls, what do you think? What are you thinking?
Yeah, everybody has been amazing. They stepped up from last week. I can't wait to see the rest now.
Yeah. Lily, what do you think?
I agree with you both. I mean, the amount of talent in this room is just insane. And the fact that every single person, in my view, has stepped it up this week so far, I can't wait to see what the second half brings.
Definitely. Kaylee, what about you? What do you think? What do you think about the talent so far?
This first half have been fantastic, the different variety in songs and watching each of them step it up this week from their auditions. It's just been quite mind-blowing. It's been fab.
Yeah, I mean, I have this image in my head. I really, really want to see, it can't happen this series now because we've already ended the auditions. But next series, I don't know about you girls, all three of you, I would love to see a double act of Cam and Dec up there performing, auditioning and singing I don't know, Barbie Girl or something. Don't you think that?
Boys, why don't you try it now?
I think it would work.
I think the Witch Doctor would be a good one, wouldn't it?
I love how Declan stood there yeah, I'm up for it, I'm ready to go.
Can we have a round of applause for them though, guys? They're doing wonderful on the cameras tonight.
Sean's doing good sitting in the corner as well.
I know.
Sean's doing so well.
I know. Girls, we'll put a 2 pence in all of you all of a sudden. I thought I was having to do all the conversation, then all of a sudden you've all overpowered me.
It's because we're women power, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Woohoo for the women!
That's why I got a box of paracetamols. Anyway, yes, so I'm really looking forward to the second half. I can't wait to see them. You ready to crack on, Kate?
Yes, I am. Ready to start the second half, everyone? Kicking off the second half of the evening is Patricia. So, well done, Patricia, on getting through to boot camp. How are you feeling about performing tonight with a backing track?
I feel like it's going to go a lot better with the melody in the background, but I am feeling a little tiny bit nervous, less than before, but I'm super excited and I can't wait to go out there.
So, you're going to be performing a classic for us tonight. What is that song you're going to be performing?
It's You Know I'm No Good by Amy Winehouse.
It's one of Sibel's favourite on the panel, so do you feel a little bit nervous to be performing that in front of her?
A little bit, yes.
Don't worry about it, just go out there, enjoy yourself, put your own spin on it, and I'm sure you'll smash it.
Patricia, boot camp, how are you feeling?
I'm really excited. I can't believe I went to the round, but I just can't wait to just do it. A little bit nervous.
You came to the studio this week and we really, really got to delve in with things that we want you to show us in this round. When you left the studio, I was very happy with what you had and what you've come up with. So just tell us all, what are you going to sing for everyone tonight?
So I'm going to be singing a song from Amy Winehouse. You know I'm no good.
You ready for it? I give it everything you've got.
Meet you downstairs in a band. You're old up sleeve and your skull is shy. You say, what did you do with him today? And sniff me out like I was thankful. 'Cause you're my fella, my guy. And me, you're Stella and fly. But it's on the mouth at all. You demon down like Voldemort. I cheated myself like I knew I would. You told her I'm no good. I told you I'm no good. Sierra Leone, Jamaica and Spain. Feel like how we were the good. I'm in the tide on the sea. Lick your lips as I soak my feet. Then you notice there goes out the burn. Oh my God, you're strong needs the word. Who truly stuck their knife in bird. I cheated myself like I knew I would. Thank you.
Sibel, you sing that song yourself. What did you think of Patricia's performance of that tonight?
I sing the song a lot myself as well. I love Amy Winehouse, and it's a really hard song actually to sing, especially the timing part. I do have sometimes issues with timing as well, and it took me a while to get used to it, to just enjoy it. You were really nervous, but you were holding back a lot, but because you were nervous and you forgot some lyrics.
I did mess up on some, yeah.
Yeah, but I like that you changed the chorus, like I cheated myself, those bits. I like what you did there. Yeah, just believe in yourself more, because you got a lot of potential in it. You got a lot of talent, but you are very different and unique.
I don't actually know the song, if I'm being perfectly honest with you, and I feel bad that I don't know it because it's Amy Winehouse and I should. But like with Sibel, when she said that you'd messed the lyrics up, she knows that because obviously she knows the song. For me, I didn't notice that because I think you held it quite well, to be honest. I don't know if you made up your own words or whatever way that happened, but I didn't notice it. So well done on that. I think it suited you so much better, this song from last week. And, the step up has been incredible in terms of just keeping yourself in time and things like that with the track has definitely helped. And yes, you've got a very unique voice. And I think this song suited that perfectly. So well done. You had a very good audition.
Thank you.
Patricia, there was a little bit of nerves there. I did sense a bit of nerves and a little bit of movement that weren't exactly what you had mentally prepared for tonight. But what I need to say to you is, like, in terms of what you offer in this competition, like I said on your audition, your first audition, that you are very distinctive. You have such a unique style. The reason why I stood for you tonight wasn't because, again, it was perfect. It was simply because I've seen an improvement. From the audition to this, the timing, what Lily just picked up on, the timing, it was nice to actually see that. It made a difference to your performance, but you got to relax and you got to get your head in this game, You can't look at everyone else because it's very easy and it's the same for everyone. We're looking at each other and we're going, oh my God, they're awesome, they're awesome, they're awesome, and they're awesome. And that can eat us up. You mustn't let it eat you up. But if you are successful tonight into the themes, you're going to be thrown in a position where you are going to be tested where your voice can go on different styles, not just one style. And I need you to start relaxing with that and actually stand there and say, I can do this. Because that's what we need. The minute you start thinking, oh my God, no, everyone's great, blah, 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 all of that, it will eat you. And we don't want it to eat you. It was beautiful. It was an improvement from the audition, but keep working forward. You need to keep working forward. So take this as another test. And if you're successful, you bring it even harder again.
Thank
all right?
you.
But an improvement. Well done.
Up next, it's Scott! I am absolutely loving the shirt, Scott. Oh, congratulations on making it through to boot camp. How are you feeling about today?
I'm quite excited actually. I'm feeling quite confident. I'm really hoping to learn something today. I'm really hoping to get some good feedback.
Just go out there and do your best. Just put everything you can into your performance, and any comments you have, take them on board. Good luck, buddy.
Cheers.
Scott, we're at boot camp, buddy. I got to see you in the week.
Yeah.
How did you find the session?
I found it really helpful actually. Thank you.
Did you find me a bit full on with everything I was saying? Because I was saying quite a lot, wasn't I?
Yeah. I'm glad you gave me some good feedback, to be honest.
Is important because when we see something new, we want you to strive to be the best, and I know that's what you want to.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I'm really happy with the choice. Tell everyone, what are you going to be singing tonight?
I'm going to be singing Let It Be by the Beatles.
Right, you ready for it, buddy?
Yeah.
Give it everything now.
Myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. The words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Scott, you should be really proud of yourself, buddy. I saw so many improvements there. Sibel, over to you. What did you think of Scott's performance tonight?
I absolutely loved it. You have such a beautiful voice, and there's something special about you. I just love it. I love your voice. I love your personality as well. There was one bit that was a little bit off, I guess, a little bit, but it wasn't nothing to be, to worry about. Well done. You should be proud of yourself. Thank you.
Lily, what did you think?
Oh, Scott, wow. I mean, I love that song anyway, and I've always loved that song. It was one that I done in my final out of the two, so it holds a special place in my heart. So when someone sings it, I'm like, please do it well, because I love the song. And you've just nailed that. I gotta be honest, from last week, and I think you done musical theatre, was it last week? Or it was, yeah, very different style, and this is way better suited to your voice, I feel. And it was such a good song choice. I loved that we could see that sort of vulnerable side to your voice. It was very pretty and very delicate. And like Sibel said, your personality is very infectious. You just come across so humble and dedicated, like a really cheeky chap in the best ways possible. I did notice that little crack or little stumble. And I think, I could be wrong, but I think it's because you may have got the lyrics wrong or forgotten them.
Yeah.
So it threw you off a little bit. But honestly, it was so minor that you barely noticed it. And a massive thing that I always say is, if you can just make up the words, or we always say to me, repeat the last line again if you have to. And you done that. You didn't stand there and freak out and stop singing. And that I give you a lot of credit for. Well done. It was a very good audition. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Scott, yeah, like I just said when we began the comments then, the improvements I'm seeing, and it's really important for people to know this. I'm standing, not because it was the greatest performance in the world, because I know you can even grow from that, but it's because of those baby steps you've taken and the improvements we're seeing. Something that was picked up in your auditions about the souliness in your voice, and this was like a little step forward to that. That was a little bit more step forward, right? He's got something a little bit different there. And I did say to you in the actual in the studio, not to be so pretty with the song. Don't be pretty. Actually go full throttle with it. And that was coming through. It kept going back to pretty, but I wanted him to be really gutsy with it, you know. And he started to do that with the louder notes, and that's what we wanted. So we got to see more of your voice. You look awesome. It really, really worked for boot camp too, but believe it. Scott, you need to believe it, because I need you to, if you are successful tonight, to be coming up you and actually, I got this. Because that's what we need, that sort of confidence. So start working on believing that you can do this, because you've got it there to do it. But other than that, from the audition to this, the little things that you worked on, massive improvement already, buddy. Honest to God, you should be proud. Tonight now, when you watch this back, when the episode goes up, watch yourself back and go, actually, yeah, that is an improvement. Because it's about you knowing what you are capable of and what you can do. A massive step up. Well done, buddy.
Thank you.
Well done.
Next up, it's Neris.
How did you find your audition?
I think it was really good.
Yeah? Did you enjoy it? Yeah. So, what are you going to sing for us all tonight? Very, very different to the audition. Now, don't hold back with this. Give it everything you've got. Go for it, right?
There are worse things I could do than go with a boy or two. Even though the neighborhood thinks I'm trashy and no good, I suppose that could be true, but there are worse things I could do. I could flirt with all the guys, smile at them and let my eyes press against them when we dance, make them think they stand a chance, then refuse to see it through. That's a thing I never do. I could stay home every night, wait around for Mr. Take cold showers every day and throw my life away on a dream that won't come true.
Performance then. You've done that really, really well. All right, so over to Sibel. Sibel, what did you think?
I absolutely love this one as well. Good song choice. You sang it really well. You got a powerful voice. I love the outfit as well.
Thank you.
And you were in the zone throughout the song. It was kind of magical. I loved it. Well done.
Lily, what did you think of Neris's performance?
Neris, wow. I gotta be honest, I didn't expect it to be that good. You just smashed that out of the park. I loved like the light and shade in that. As soon as you sang that first line, I was like, wow. Literally, wow. And it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. And you held it very, very well. Even those like top notes, sometimes they can go a bit sharp, you know? And I mean, on the Mister, it slipped a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. But the rest of it was like on point. And I loved that you changed like the way you come out to sentences, you kind of changed them a little bit, like from the original. And I loved that and I noticed that. And it just made it very unique to yourself. But that was honestly an incredible audition, incredible song choice. It was very animated in the way you were saying the words as well. You really told the story very well. The mic control was there. The light and shade was there. The control, the breath, brilliant.
Thank you.
I gotta be honest, I think that's the longest speech I've ever seen you do up, yeah? No, I like it. That's good because you're copying me now. Neris. Where do I start? So firstly, obviously the choice was so intriguing because I weren't expecting something like this to work for your voice, but it actually did. It worked really, really well, which kind of shows me that you are capable of really, really moving to very different styles of music, right? Which is very important because if you are successful into themes, you're going to be tested. And I feel like you've got the type of voice that would really place yourself in different styles and things like that. Whether you've done that yet or not is something to look forward to if you are successful to really test yourself. The song was perfect for you. There was a slight break when you got to the bigger note just at the end, but honest to God, from an audition to show us this, you've already kind of showed us that, oh, wait, she can really put herself into a different style and make it work. You look amazing, by the way, tonight. The dress is perfect with the song. Be really, really proud. This was definitely a step up from what we've seen in the audition. Well done.
Up next, it's Paul!
Paul Bukampari. So, yes, Bukamp. You showed us a little bit of your man in the audition, which is really quirky.
Yes.
Tonight now, what are you going to perform for everyone?
Don't want to miss a thing.
This is a
My
belter
take
song.
on it, yes.
Belter
Hope I
song.
do it justice tonight now. Hope I do it justice.
Don't hold back, Pat. You know what to do.
That's it,
Go in
yeah.
your zone
That's
and you
it.
give it everything you've got, all right?
Yes, let's go for it.
Right then, here we go. The music will start and you crack on, right?
Yeah, let's go. I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. With every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, feel your heart so close to mine, and you stay here in this moment waste of time. Yeah, I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a
Thank you very much. Wow, Paul, I generally thought you was taking down the speakers then, buddy. I thought you was like, boom. I'll come to my comment now. I'm going to come to Sibel first. Sibel, what do you think of Paul tonight?
I'm amazed. That was perfect. To me, it was perfect. You have a distortion, natural in your voice. I love that. By the way, this song was very different than your audition, so that's a nice thing. Well done.
Lily, what did you think?
You've flown me away tonight, Paul, I gotta be honest. I love the country, I really do. And to be honest with you, no matter what style you sing, I think the country's always gonna come through because it's like natural in your accent and things like that. But this just pushed your voice so much more than the original audition. And I think it really done you justice tonight. I mean, that song, I think, is so big that sometimes your voice can just appear to be tiny on a song that big. But you didn't let it take control of you. You handled it so well. And especially towards the end on those like yeahs and the way you held the long note, you opened your mouth so much more and you pushed that note out. And I think that was like the epiphany for me of like, this man can genuinely do anything. And I would love to see what else you could do, because that has shocked me, honestly.
Look, you came into this audition last week and straight away with the country song, we went, East Country, boom, there it is. And you definitely have that in you. That's just naturally in your soul. What tonight did was shown how you brought that into a very different style of music and things completely transformed in what we think, and I think the reaction from everyone. And it's because, and I want you to know this because this is so important. Like, obviously, like I said to you, we learn things as we grow and things like that. When we're doing our gigs, we got our sets and things like that. What you did tonight was you showcased something that was more eligible for like TV shows and things like that. And I want you to know this because this was you putting your spin on something that shouldn't have necessarily worked, right? And it worked by wonders. So keep that in mind, because when I'm listening to you and what I just heard tonight, I would be so excited in this competition to really test you to your limits in these themed weeks coming up. Because I wouldn't want you to just come in and go, I know this song, I'll do this one. I want to put pressure on you because I believe there's even much more to show, and I want to have that extra pressure. But my God, what a way to come into boot camp. Literally, I thought he was going to take the speakers down then. I don't know if, I've never seen you singing that in a show on your lives or anything. I haven't really seen it. But if you've done that in the show, I'm shocked if you didn't have a really good reception from that, because that, whatever you've done, whether you was fighting now or whatever, it's a different feeling to a pub gig, that was the epiphany so far for you. So really, I'm really excited about people just seeing it online, but there was so much fight in it and it made a huge difference. Like, you should be really proud, but you absolutely floored that tonight. Floored it.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Well done, Paul.
For the comments. Thank you.
Up next, it's Reese. But unfortunately, he's not here tonight, so here is his boot camp performance from home.
Right then, girls, so we've just seen Reese's performance. Sibel, I'm going to come to you first. What did you think of Reese's performance tonight?
To be honest, it sounded a bit too perfect to me. It's really good, but it sounded too perfect, and I was thinking if because he pre-recorded, maybe that's why it sounds a bit better. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not.
Bit of unsurety there.
Yeah.
Reese, I definitely thought the performance was better from last week. I think having the backing track really helped in terms of showing your ability to put things on top of that and a melody on top. It was very, very good. I think you moved a lot more and you just looked more relaxed. And whether that be because you're at home, I'm not sure. You know, I need to see that in front of me. But the energy was definitely there. The song choice was good. You definitely put your take on it, and I do applaud you for that.
Yeah, I mean, like from judging from the video, it is hard to judge someone when they're doing it from home. It's very, very difficult. What makes this extra difficult is that he is a guitarist. So we are just watching him play the guitar. There were so many improvements there, so many improvements straight away. It's just frustrating because the week that he's away on holiday and we got to see that performance ended up being a night where everyone came out and brought it. And that's what makes this extra tricky. Because I'm like, I would have loved to see this on stage and felt it and connected to it. And I would have loved to see that, to see if it lived up to what we saw tonight. So it is a tricky one to even judge. In terms of the audition to that performance, it was definitely an improvement, a massive improvement. So, you know, Reese needs to be confident that he has definitely shown us an improvement with his performance. But other than that, well done.
Up next, it's Millie. So Millie sent in a video to us for her online audition and she secured a place in boot camp. So welcome to Talent Search Cymru, Millie. How are you feeling?
I'm very excited. I'm glad I got to boot camp. I'm really looking forward to performing.
So why have you come to Talent Search Cymru? What are you looking to gain out of this journey?
I really want to showcase my talent somewhere else because I do a bit of like coaching like out of here, but I want to showcase my talent somewhere else. So.
What are you going to be bringing to boot camp today?
I'm going to be singing We Don't Have to Take Our Clothes Off by Ella A.
All the best of luck and go and enjoy yourself.
So, Millie, this is technically the first time you come to us tonight.
Yeah.
You know? We haven't got to see you live yet, but your audition was wonderful.
Thank you.
We was very, very impressed by the technicality and things like that. So, how are you feeling? Nervous, excited?
I mean, seeing all the talents tonight, they're all fantastic. So I'm really excited to get up here and perform myself. So yeah.
Amazing. What are you going to sing for us all?
I'm going to be singing We Don't Have to Take Our Clothes Off by Ella A.
Okay, very unique song. You ready?
Yes, yes, thank you. Romantically, whoa, I've got needs.
So, wow, I weren't expecting all of that to come out then. Sibel, over to you. What did you think of Millie's performance?
Wow, girl. That was amazing. You're very technical, but you put so much emotion as well into the song. Good song choice. You were very relaxed there. Plus, your personality shines through.
Thank
I love the way you look as well. Well done. You should be very proud of yourself.
you.
Lily, what did you think?
Millie, hi, it's nice to meet you first of all, because it's lovely to see you in person. And obviously I've watched your videos and I was really, really excited to see what you were going to bring tonight. And I was really excited to hear you live, especially in this room. And I loved what you just done. You were so confident up there, like you just belong there. And that's difficult, especially knowing that everyone else has been in this room and in this environment, last week. So credit to you there, because you really didn't hold back.
Thank you.
I loved the song choice, and I mean, the fact that it's such a quick song, there's so many things you need to be focusing on doing in a quick time. Your control was so good. I loved your runs and all of those sort of parts of your voice is so beautiful. The only thing I would say is that I would have liked the mic a bit closer to you, because it was stunning, but like little parts I was missing, just because obviously it needs to be a bit closer. So yeah, that's the only thing I would really critique on, really, and give you a bit of advice on in terms of mic control. But honestly, what you just done was beautiful.
Thank you.
Well done.
Millie, how old are you again?
12.
12. And this is what makes it very, very interesting, right? Your ability for a 12-year-old is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Now, obviously, like you said, you work with a teacher or something.
Yeah.
But what I noticed then, well, this is a very big thing. It's really, really important, because I don't know if it was just because of nerves or if it's how you naturally do it, but you basically done too much.
Yeah.
That's what you done. You didn't need to do as much as you did. Everything had a run, and it didn't need to. What that does, it puts more on you. It puts more pressure.
Yeah.
This movement here, that takes you away from the mic control. So you need to make sure you're in the performance and the mic's there, right? So even though you're showcasing us that you can perform and everything, because we got all of that from there and bundles more, I just want you to just bring it in a bit, right? Relax a little bit more. Once you get used to us, you'll be fine.
Right.
You'll be absolutely fine. But just relax a bit. Your technique is wonderful, right? You were really, really strong for a 12-year-old. I want you to know that. Just remember, not everything has to have their beautiful runs that you can do. I always say to people, keep people excited. And how you do that is start with little and end with more. All right? And you build the song then until it gets to the end, and then show them all of this that you can do up there. But other than that, take that on board. I think you're going to sail tonight. I'll be shocked if you didn't, because of your potential. You should be really proud of it. Well done.
Last but not least on tonight's episode, it's John! Hello, John.
Hiya.
How are you feeling today?
Really good, excited.
So, well done on getting through to boot camp. What are you going to be bringing tonight?
I'm going to be singing Jealous Guy by John Lennon.
I love a John Lennon song, but I haven't heard that one, so I'm really intrigued to hear it. So good luck, enjoy it, and all the best.
Thank you.
Hello, John.
Hiya, you alright?
Audition's over, buddy. We're into boot camp. I got to see you this week, which was absolutely wonderful, because I got to know you a little bit more and things like that. Tell everyone, what are you going to sing tonight?
I'm going to sing Jealous Guy.
Now, a lot of people don't know this one as much as I do. I'm obsessed with the song. And when you brought it forward, I was pretty blown away, as you know. I was blown away that you picked such a beautiful song.
Yeah.
So give it everything you got, all right?
Thank you.
I was dreaming of the past, and my heart was beating fast.
I begin to lose control. I begin to lose control. I didn't mean to hurt you, and I'm sorry I made you cry. I didn't want to hurt you. No, I didn't, baby. I'm just a jealous guy. I was feeling insecure. You might not love me anymore. I was shivering inside. I was shivering inside. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, and I'm sorry I made you cry. I didn't want to hurt you. No, I didn't, baby. I'm just a jealous guy. I'm just a jealous guy. I'm just a jealous guy.
Okay, John, I'm not going to say much yet because I'm really excited about this. But I'm going to hand you straight up to Sibel. Sibel, what did you think of John's performance tonight?
Wow.
Thank you.
I had goosebumps when you opened your mouth. You sang it so beautifully. I don't know the song, to be honest, but I felt that you should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Thank you. Lily, what did you think of John tonight?
Wow. The second you started singing, me and Sibel just looked at each other like, what is going on? Honestly, do you know what I love about you? You look like the bloke next door. You would never in a million years think that you're going to come up there and sing like that. And it is just absolutely incredible to watch, honestly. You amazed me last week, in all honesty, with how you're able to kind of just tell a story and be emotional and vulnerable with your voice. But this week, I mean, honestly, it can't be compared to last week. It can't be compared. And at this point, my only worry is how you're going to top that, to be honest, because that was just insane. It had everything it needed. I seen so much more movement in your voice than I did last week, which, you know, we knew you had in you because it's beautiful the way you move your voice. But honestly, for me, that was the performance of the night. For me.
Thank you. John, you've just got it. That is the reality here. And we sensed in the audition, it was a little bit of sort of like, oh, I'm new to this area. How much do I do? But tonight you've shown us that you absolutely got it. 1 billion%. For those who do know this song and who have heard this song before, if you actually hear that, you would not recognize it because you've completely revamped how the flow is in the bits, and that is a natural gift. And when I try to point out this, these are the things that I know, not just in just performing around the place, because we had a chat, he said, I would love to just be out there gigging. And I was thinking, what's this guy on about? He's so much more gay, like this guy could go so far, literally. And I'm telling you that, and I know, like, when we spoke in the studio, you're very humbled by it. It's almost like I'm finding it hard to believe that the character that you are, the person you are, doesn't stand with this voice. This voice is like, boom, I'm a superstar. And then you were like, really? Was it okay? Like, you've just got this timidness to you, and it makes it so vulnerable and beautiful to watch. John, you absolutely floored that tonight. You showcased that you are something special. And I am going to end it with this because I think it's a wonderful end to tonight, and everyone has stepped it up big time. But tonight, I've just witnessed a star. That's what that was. Well done, buddy.
And that concludes boot camp. The contestants have done all they can to make it to the top 12, but who will make it to the themed weeks? Find out next Wednesday at 7:45 p.m.
Oh yes, next Wednesday it's the beginning of our 360 rounds with iconic